With the setup ink cartridges installed in your HP DeskJet 2600 all-in-one series printer, load paper and align the cartridges to complete setting up the printer hardware. Lift the input tray to raise it to its locked position. Slide the paper width guide to its outermost position. Flex a stack of plain white paper and load it into the input tray. Slide in the paper width guide until it rests on the edge of the paper without bending it. Open the output tray and tray extender. After you install the printer on your computer or device and print 5 print jobs, an alignment page prints. It is recommended that you complete the alignment process for best quality prints. Lift the scanner lid. Remove the alignment page from the output tray and place it face down on the scanner glass, following the markings as a guide. Close the scanner lid, and then press the Start Copy Color button to scan the alignment page. The alignment process is complete when the printer is idle and silent and the ready light is lit.